Hello traders, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to trade with candlestick psychology. Let's start now. You can see this is AUD JPY chart, a digital market. The trend was going up, it's up momentum here. So let's see what happened here. Okay, so after this candle, if I get a good opportunity, then I will be place a trade here. Otherwise I didn't place a trade. Okay, so let's see what happened here. Very strong entry from the sellers. Big candle, strong candle. Okay, okay, I'm placing here a lower option. I'm placing here a lower option. It's a very good entry point because of this fast momentum. So right now I'm placing here a lower option because of this new low in the market. Okay, you can see the new low here in the market and very strong candle, and this candle come from the resistance level. That's it, I'm placing here a lower option and it will be my winning trade here. Okay, so let's see after this candle. It's definitely my winning trade. Let's see what happened on the next candle. Okay, again I am seeing a new low in the market. Okay, a very strong candle from the sub resistance level. Okay, so market must be go down from here because of this market move. Market want to be go down from here. That's it, I am placing here a lower option. So let's see what happened here after this candle. It's going up, but I am sure it will definitely reject from that level and go down. Okay, it's closing below my entry point. Okay, so let's see what happened here. Okay, 7.86, it means 786, it's my goodness. So let's see another trade. Don't place a trade blindly. Okay, and don't place a trade on every candle. You have to must be wait for the right opportunity and then you will be place a trade. If you get a right opportunity and you will be place a trade, you will be definitely win. So keep patience because patience is the key of success. So keep patience and watch the market carefully. If you get good opportunities, then you can place a trade. Okay, so let's see what happened here. Okay, so right now I can't decide to go with buy or sell here, so I'm not place a trade. I just need to get a confirmation, then I will be place a trade. Okay, market at the level right now. Market may go up from this level too. Okay, I'm placing here a higher option. I'm placing here a higher option, and I'm 100% sure about this candle. It will be close on my entry point or above my entry point. Okay, if it is close on my entry point, I will be lose this trade because of digital market. Okay, in the digital market you can't get ATM. Okay, so I'm sure about that candle. That's it. I'm place a higher option here. So let's see what happened here. I think it will be my winning trade at the last moment. Let's see what happened here. Okay, it's going. Okay, it's definitely my winning trade. I'm sure on that trade. That's it. I'm placing here a call option, and I will be win this trade. So till now I place 3 trade, and all are winning trade. So let's see what happened here after this candle. If I get a good opportunity, then I will be place another trade. Okay, market comes to down. This market is not a good market. You can't predict a candle on like that market. Okay, so let's see what happened here. I'm going to with the buy here, but it's made a new low too, so I'm confused here. It may go down or it may go up too, because of this buyer's area. Candle close at the same buyer's area, it must be go up, but it's made a new low here in the market, so market want to be go more down from here. And this is not a weak candle, it's a strong candle, so I can't go with the buy or sell here. Okay, it's a 50-50 chances, so I'm not place a trade here. Okay, so let's see what happened here after this candle. If the next candle is a red candle, so market want to be go more down from here. If it is a green candle, market want to be go more up from here. Okay, so you can see the weak candle from the sellers at the buyers area. It means the buyers not interested to buy here. That said, we are seeing a red candle, so the next candle it's also going down, but we are not sure right now, so I'm not place a trade here. You can see the red candle, so market want to be go more down from here. Let's check where is the buyers area. You can see there is a level here. Okay, there is the level. Okay, so I'm not sure here it will be goes up or down. That's it, I'm not place a trade here because of this some SNR levels here. You can see this, you can see here a buyer's entry, okay, and the seller's entry. So these shown as a consolidation area, and we are not confirmed to go with buy or sell here, so leave that trade, leave that candle. Okay, when you confirm, then you can place a trade, otherwise don't place a trade. Okay, so right now I'm seeing a continuation sign, so the next candle will be definitely go down. If this goes more up, then I will be place a lower option with margin of safety, otherwise I didn't place a trade. Okay, it can be reversed from this round number 2. Okay, so right now I'm placing here a call option with margin of safety, and I am sure about this candle, it will be definitely close above my entry point. Okay, because of I get a good entry point, that's it, I'm placing here a call option, and this one also my sure shot. Okay, so why I'm placing here a call option, you can see I place a level here in the previous market, a spinning top candle, green spinning top candle, it will be reverse the market. Here also you can see this level working as well, and I get entry point exact at the level, so I'm sure it will definitely reject for the one time. That's it, I'm placing here a call option, and it's also my winning trade. So till now we are placing a 3 or 4 trade here, all are winning trade, and I'm sure that's it, I'm placing here a call option or put option. Without surety I'm not place a trade. Okay, so if you want to learn candlestick psychology and price action, you can contact me, we'll provide online classes. Okay, so thank you very much for the watching my video. Have a nice day. Goodbye.